First things first. Today, we're gonna be making shirts. I have everybody's names printed out and school logos, and you guys are gonna get a chance to be creative and place it how you wanna place it. Everybody will leave today with a shirt. Second thing is, when we get to the part, we're gonna be picking our vinyl with X-Acto knives. They're very sharp. So me and my good buddy Jason Hart, we're gonna be helping you guys with that, okay? 3, when we turn this thing on, this thing gets 330 degrees. It is going to be very hot. We are going to assist you, mainly do it for you, because we don't want anyone to get burned or anyone to get hurt. You know what, Mr. Yoon, can I get your help? You can get the kids the shirts according to their sizes. They're all in stacks. This is a box of vinyl right here, right? And this particular printing style is considered your ink, right? So this is your ink, you know, so we can get creative and do different color schemes and things, right? So today, these are your school logos. They're already cut. And when I say cut, this vinyl cutter right here actually goes in and cuts out your logos onto this vinyl. So this machine actually cuts into the vinyl, it sketches it and fills it right in there. Feel it? Yeah, you in there, right? So I'm actually gonna pass these out in a minute, but I want you guys to see the cutter at work, cut one of the images so you know. Yes, ma'am. It is. Yeah, so I wanted to give you guys an example so you can see the cutter work. I already did all the hard work by tiling them out and cutting them for you just to save time. But I want you to see the machine in action so you can understand. Ready?
What does it sound like?
You're gonna hear it.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Yeah. It sounds so weird. That's right. It sounds like a video game machine.
Yes. Is the next process, okay? The machine cuts our image, which is on our computer.
Here you go.
Everybody hold your vinyl up.
Not you.
Hold your vinyl up.
All right.
Feel this side. There's one side that's super shiny and slick.
This side is the side.
And you turn it over, it's kind of dull,
This side is already big
right?
side. We're going to peel off this side.
The side that's dull is the side that is fed into the cutter that makes the cuts. Now that we have our design that we cut, we are going to peel it.
Amazing, it was very fun, and I really liked it. I want to come again.
I was so excited, and it was really cool, and I loved it, and I wish I could come here again. It was really cool and amazing, and I really liked it when we got to pick our own design and how to do it.
Awesome.
I really loved it because it was just the illusion, and I would like to come here again.
Awesome.
This was a really great experience. Besides all the other field trips, I would love to come here again.
This is really cool because I got to make my own design.
I love it.
I want to come back here again.
Oh, thank you. Good job, buddy. All right. Right here.
Yeah, it was so fun. I wish I could come again and make another shirt.
All right. Good job. Everybody, make sure you have your belongings. Make sure you have your shirt. Make sure you have everything you came with, your water bottle. We're going to line up with Mr. Yoon at the door.
Bye, everyone.